Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. So in today's class, let us prepare some poster. The first one is prepare a poster on fitness. What is the first poster? Fitness. So it is a part of your FA2 exam. Not these posters, examples of these posters, but same model. It means posters. So fitness. Prepare a poster on fitness. Okay. Here, write the name of any fitness center. Here I will write Imran Fitness Center. Imran Fitness Center. A place of health. A place of health care. Right in the bracket. Here, fitness training. Fitness training. Separate classes for first one, women and children's. Second one, old age. Third one, for general. Here if you want, you can draw any figure. A boy who is doing some exercise or something, you can draw the figure. Weight or lose. Venue where school ground. Timing, mention here timing. 5 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. in the morning and 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. And you can mention some important things what you are going to serve in your fitness center. Natural food served. Okay. And healing for diseases, you can mention that. So here you can mention for details contact. You write the name of any person. Imran Fitness Center, Hanmakonda, and mobile number. Okay, so this is the first poster for fitness. You can write the name of any fitness center. just I mentioned here Imran Fitness Center, a place of health care, fitness training, separate classes for women and children. You can change anything, whatever. So women and children's, old aged and general. So main thing is weight loss, when you wear in school ground. Morning timing is 5 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. and evening timing 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. National food is served, and for details contact here you mention, I won't have that much of space here, so mention down. For details contact Imran Fitness Center, Hanmakonda, and mention any mobile number or star mark. So this is the first poster. So next one, prepare a poster on observing the traffic week. Observing the traffic week. How we are going to observe traffic? What are the necessary things what we have to do while? How we are going to follow the signals? Let us see this poster. Let me prepare poster. What the next poster for? Observing the traffic week. Okay. Here you mention government of Telangana India. Here you mention observing traffic, observing the traffic week or observing traffic week. Observing traffic week. So main points, if you want you can draw some signals here. Okay. Follow rules, save lives. Keep always, any direction you mention here, left. Next main point, follow signals, make life better. Follow signals, make life better. You can mention don't drive, drink and drive. You can mention any point. Here, draw one box and write live and let live. Issued in the public interest, by Commissioner of Registration and Traffic. So if you want you can draw some signals here. So this is the poster for Traffic Week, Government of Telangana, India, observing Traffic Week. Follows main points you mentioned here, or you can draw some signals. Follow rules, save lives. Keep some quotations also. Keep always left side. Follow signals and make life better. And you can give some heading. live and let others live, or live other and let live, issued in the public interest by the Commissioner of Registration and Traffic. You can give any quotations or proverbs. Next, blood donation camp. Blood donation camp. Third poster, blood donation camp. Here you can write Rahim, Rahim. Next poster, Rahim Youth Association for blood donate camp. See here poster, Rahim Youth Association blood donate camp. Quotation, you give any quotation. Donate blood and save life or lives. Venue, Health Care Center, Warangal. Free checkup for donors. Date 15th December 2020. Timing 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Presides Dr. Zamir, Dr. Rehana, you can mention any name of the doctors, Dr. Imran, Dr. Kaleem. Okay, for details contact, mention here, for details contact Rahim Youth Association, Warangal, and mobile number on the left side.